Hello everyone, welcome back to Keto Blogging, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can verify your website in Bing WebMaster tool. So everyone talking about how you can verify your website in Google Search Console and index your website in Google so that you can get traffic from Google, but you should also verify your website in Bing WebMaster tool so that you can get traffic from Bing search engine. So let's check how you can do that. And before that, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to search for Bing Webmaster tool. So let me click on that. So similar to Search Console, you need to click on Get Started button, and here you need to sign in with your Google account or Microsoft account. So let me sign in with my Google account here. Let's click on Continue. And here you will see two different options. Either you can import your website from Google Search Console or you can add your site manually. So here we are going to use the Google Search Console method because it will take data from Google Search Console. So let me click on import and let's click on continue. Now let me click on the Google account where my Google Search Console account is, and let's click on continue and click on continue here, and it will show you all the website linked to that Google Search Console account. So let me select the website which I want to add in Bing Webmaster tool. So let me click on import and let me go to Google Search Console, and as you can see our website is already verified with Search Console. So it will automatically verify our website in Bing Webmaster tool, and we need to click on done, and it will automatically submit the sitemap that we have submitted in Search Console. So this is how simple it is to verify your website in Bing Webmaster tool. So all you have to do is sign in with the same Google account that you have created in Google Search Console. And you can also manually verify your website using HTML tag or other methods. So here you will get some additional options compared to Google Search Console. Here you can see the search performance URL inspection tool like we get in Search Console, and here you will get the index now option to index your website faster, and you can also see the backlink profile of your website. You can do keyword research, and it will also show you suggestions to improve your website SEO. And here you can control crawlers, block URLs, and you can verify your robots.txt, verify Bing bot. So you will get more options compared to Google Search Console. So I definitely recommend you should use the backlink and keyword research feature in Bing Webmaster tool. And if you want to verify your website manually, then you can also do that. Let me click on add a site here, and here let me put a different website URL. Let me click on view blog. So I have not created a Google Search Console account for this website. So for now let me copy that and let me paste it here. Let's click on add. Now as you can see it is giving me a XML file, so you need to upload it to your root directory. So as in case of Blogger we don't have the root directory, so you can use the HTML meta tag. So all you have to do is copy it and just go to your website, click on theme, and same with Google Search Console, you have to paste the meta tag below the head tag. So as you can see this is the head tag. I just need to paste the meta tag here. Let's click on save. Now let's go to Bing Webmaster tool and let's click on verify. And as you can see our website is verified in Bing Webmaster tool. So this is how you can manually verify your website, or you can use the Google Search Console to verify your website here. So if you still have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.